Anand for T4tutorial.com. Now today my issue is MOSMS during the empty call field. This is the issue. This is the scenario where I'm running the test case and that time empty call is received on UE, and same time we have triggered the uh, text SMS for MOSMS, and MOSMS get failed. So this is the issue, and I will see here where is the issue. Because of that MOSMS is getting failed. So before that we will see here CS fallback is in LT, UE is in LT, and someone is calling on my mobile. So you will fall back to the legacy network, and same time we have send SMS, MOSMS, and that SMS getting failed. So what happens here? uh, this is CS fallback, and in CS fallback you will see here uh, this is the CS fallback mobile terminating call in idle mode and mobile originating in connected mode. In empty call, what happens when the someone is calling on mobile, someone is calling empty call, I have received empty call on mobile. That means ki someone is calling. Before calling, some pg request will be triggered from the MSC, and we my mobile is in LT network. Someone is called from the MSC, paging request will come, and same paging will receive in UE side for service type mobile terminating CS fallback. For this purpose paging message will receive, and when you will get the mobile terminating CS fallback, then you will send this extended service request message toward the network, and after that it will go for the it will fall back through the initial context setup request message, which contains CS fallback indication is on, and and CS fallback is triggered, and you will fall back to send the RRC connection release RWR with redirect to UTRA network, and fall back to the UTRA network, and call is initiated for the call will be received in empty call, and same time MOSMS you is sending the SMS. So what happens? So I will see in logs what is so before that happens, first SMS paging message is received. In this paging message you will see here what happens in paging message. In this paging message is for the domain PS and domain CS. After that extended service request is triggered. In extended service request message, CS fallback is accepted by UE extended service request. This is empty CSFB. This CSFB is happening for the empty mobile terminating CS fallback. That means someone is calling on my mobile. So this service is for the empty CSFB. So someone is calling on mobile. That means someone is called on mobile. So network will send the paging message for the CS. After that it will fall back. You will send the extended service request message for the empty CSFB. You will fall back to the legacy network and will process for that. So extended service request after the RRC connection request message trigger here. Yes, RRC connection request message is trigger here for the mobile terminating call. So establishment calls empty access. RRC connection request, you will send the RRC connection request message with establishment code empty access. Connection setup completed. After that you will send a network will send the RRC connection release. What happened here? Send network will send the RRC connection release redirect carrier info with UTRA FTD. This is redirect carrier information. That means key network give the information to the UE to redirect with the ultra frequency. After that UE is moved in LT network. See here 3G error messages. This is the LT error messages RRC connection release cause redirect to ultra. After that it will move on ultra network, and in 3G it will give the response of paging. First it will give the response of paging whatever he had triggered that for the empty call. So when you will see overall the picture, so paging message is sent LT in LT when UE was in LT network, then network send a paging for the PS and CS for the empty call. And when UE is fall back, now is fall back to the legacy network, ultra network, then give the response of the paging response. What is the response cause? The response cause is for that paging response is sent. After that in 3G it send RRC connection 3G air message. Here is 3G air message. After what happened? After sending the paging response, send RRC connection request terminating conversation call. UE send the UE now trying the signaling information, transferring the signaling information between the network and sending the RRC connection request for the mobile terminating conversation call. And after that connection setup complete is happened. After that again it will give the information in DCH in paging response to the network. And paging purpose, what is the paging purpose? It was the paging purpose for the empty call. So that purpose is now completed, and now routing area update request is triggered in uplink by UE. And these all the process of the measurement is happen here. And routing area update accept is sent by the network, and routing area update is completed after moving in ultra network. Then CM service request is triggered here. CM service request is triggered here for what is the purpose? So I will see here CM service request. Yeah, this one here I can see this CM service request is triggered here. This CM service request for the short message services. Short message service, that means for SMS. This CM service request is for the SMS. CM service trigger. UE sending the same service request message, and it will transfer in uplink through the followed by the uplink direct transfer, and it sent to network CM service request message. And same time this CM service request is triggered for the SMS. Same time that time empty call signaling procedure was happening. So for the empty call confirm is happen for the empty call, and for the SMS CM service request is triggered same time, and call is confirmed sent by the UE in uplink. And and same time same service reject is sent by the network. So I will see here that what happens. Same service reject cause a service option temporary out of order. So I will see what is the means of out of order. And same time radio base setup complete is happen. Alerting, that means empty call was that time ongoing, so alerting happening. It send mobile station to network, and uplink direct transfer alerting radio array configuration is happen complete. CM service request again trigger during this signaling procedure. CM service request is trigger. And what are the purpose of signaling purpose? Is also for the short message services, that means SMS. And same time CM service request is transferred to the network, and CM service is rejected by the network same time. Reason, what is the reason of CM service reject? Reason is that CM service reject reason is here, we can see here. this is reject same service option temporarily out of order. Because of that, same service is rejected. Same service is rejected, again same service is rejected. Same time during the signaling process, empty call was happening, empty call process was happened, and same time is for the same service is triggering again and again, and it is rejected. And after that, what happens? Connect mobile UE send connect message for the empty call. Both are running continuously in parallelly. Connect message is sent mobile station to network, and connect and this message is transferred followed by the uplink direct transfer and sent to the connect message. And after that, connect acknowledgement is received from the network. Connect acknowledgement is received, that means call is now process completed here. Call process is now here completed. Call process completed, that means ki network was busy with the same service request for the empty call, and same time SMS was also sending the same service request. This is the network collision of some SMS, some functional was colliding, because two process was happening same time. Because of the some network collision is happening here. And here connect acknowledgement call process, empty call is process is completed, now it's ongoing, all signaling procedure is completed here. After that, CM service request is sent by the UE. So what is the purpose here? CM service request is also for the same this is for the short message services, that means it's also for the SMS. After that, it's followed by the uplink direct transfer, and you will send the same service request to the network. And here you will see CM service is accepted. CM service is accepted, that means here signaling for the empty call, same time empty call process is completed here. Connect acknowledgement, all the process completed, now functional are now free. So this time when we have tried to send the SMS, then same service is accepted, and same service is accepted. CP data, CP ACK, this SMS some process of flow of the SMS. This is the flow. CP data, CP ACK. CP data will send by the UE to network, network will send the CP ACK, again network will CP data, and you will send the CP ACK. This process is completed, and RV4, this is happening in RV4. RV4 is success, that means SMS is you is sending the SMS, that is it get successfully transferred to the network. Now call disconnected, this is for the empty call. Empty call was running that time. Before that, empty call was running, now it's disconnected, that means empty call is also disconnected. And so this process is completed here. So issue is that why CM service is rejected before that, why this CM service is rejected. And this issue is that same service request is for the short message. Okay, this is same service request, and when we'll see the same reject here, what is happening here? U is attached in LT first, receiving paging for MTCS, receiving paging for MTCS, right? And U is send extended service request for CS fallback. RRC connection release message was received with redirection info UTRA FTTD. U is send paging response and routing area update procedure is completed in 3G. Okay, this process is completed in 3G. Now tester, what tester is doing? Tester is trying to send SMS at the same time. That time empty call was ongoing, and UE sent same service request for service type SMS, and at the same time signaling procedure for MTCS call is ongoing. Signaling procedure was ongoing. So same service reject cause value is service option temporary out of order. The same time MTCS call was established. In log 3 times MO SMS is triggered, and MTCS call signaling procedure. 3 times MO SMS is triggered during MTCS call signaling procedure. That means ki empty call was ongoing that time. On same time 3 times MO SMS is triggered, and all the 3 times same service was rejected. At the fourth time, MOSM is initiated and successfully, which is the after the MTCS, which is after the MTCS, after a CS call signaling procedure was completed. Just I want to say that, yeah, rejected at the fourth time. MOSM is initiated and successfully, which is after the MTCS call signaling procedure was completed and CS call got established as per 3P00 24301. Cause value. What is the means of the cause value? Service option temporary out of order. That means ESM cause is sent when the network can't service the request because of the temporary outage of one or more function required for supporting the service. Issue is when there is CS empty call and UE fallback to UMTS. During the ongoing signaling procedure for CSMT call in UMTS, tester is trying to initiate another same service request. Tester is trying to another same service request for SMS, and because of that, network is rejecting the request after the CS call got established and service request is successfully. So what is the conclusion? Actually, same time CS empty call and UE fallback to UMT happen. Fallback to UE fallback in UMTS, and same time signaling procedure was ongoing, and SMS MO call was also parallelly triggered. So same time same service request for SMS, and because of that network is rejecting the request after the CS call got established, service request is successful. What is the next step for that? Now I will come on the conclusion, this issue, for this issue conclusion. So actually mostly this issue on network side, and network will take and I think that this is test case is wrong, because some signaling procedure already busy with the another services, and same time you're trying for the SMS. So I think that this is not protocol wise issue and not a network wise issue. The test case was whatever they have written the test case for this scenario, it's totally wrong. So this is network collision, and because of that, when empty call is successful, after that he is sending SMS, so it get a successful because CM services and all the functionality related to this was free that time, and there was no outage, and it get a successful. But when both are doing the parallelly empty call and most SMS call is doing parallelly, it's to get a MOSMS get fail, because CM services request is already busy. This busy with the another services signaling procedure. So because of that, I have to reach on the conclusion. This is the network issue, and just I want to say you in call flow. Once again, in air message, paging message is triggered by the sent by the network, and this paging message for the empty CS call, and extended service request is triggered by the UE. RRC connection request is triggered for the empty call, and after the connection setup, after RRC connection setup and completed is happens, after that send the RRC connection release redirection to UTRA. UE falls back in UTRA network, that means 3G network, and give the response of the paging. This paging give the response of paging message. This paging message give the response here. This paging message give the response here, and paging response is sent followed by the initial direct transfer. And again in UMTS you will try RRC connection request, terminating conversation call, RRC connection setup complete is happened, routing area update procedure is completed now here, and same time tester have tried to send the SMS test SMS, and CM service request is triggered. At same time call is confirmed for the empty call, signaling procedure is happen, and after 150 milliseconds CM service reject with cause value service option temporary out of order. Already we have discussed about that, what this thing is happened out of order, because our signaling procedure is already busy with the M2 CS call, so because of that SMS was getting the failed. So CM service is rejected, and this happened in 3 times in whole. CM service rejected, CM service rejected, and in this last case CM service is a get a successful. For this CM service request for service type SMS, and CM service request is sent after 240 millisecond accepted, cause value service option temporary out of order. It is a wrong line. CM service request is trigger after the CM service is accepted. After CM service accepted, now UE will send UE text SMS is transfer as a CP data, and CP ACK is received from network. CP data once again network will send, and the CP ACK will send by the UE, and this process is happen here. RB4 process is complete here. So this is 4 step for the SMS, and after this completed, empty call is disconnected. So this whole process was for the MOSMS during the empty call. During empty call, MOSMS during the empty call failed. So what was the step trigger empty call? Same text, some text message is trigger for the MOSMS, and MOSMS failed. Because fail, already have discussed what is the issue. So this was the today issue. So next time I will come with the next issue, and so for the, before that, for the that time, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this video. Thank you.